Welcome. Today, we'll discuss table sorting in JavaScript. A stable sort ensures that elements with equal values retain their original order. This is particularly useful when working with datasets where order matters. Let's explore how we can achieve this in JavaScript. Let's get started. The goal is to sort an array while ensuring that elements with equal values remain in their original order. Unlike some sorting algorithms that may swap equal elements arbitrarily, stable sorting keeps the sequence intact. This function ensures stable sorting using three steps. First, it maps each item to an object containing its value and index. Then, it sorts the array based on value, using the index to break ties. Finally, it extracts the sorted values and returns them into a new array. The key trick here is preserving indexes. Instead of sorting row values, we wrap them in objects and store their indexes. During sorting, if two values are equal, we use their index to maintain their original position. This table breaks down the sorting process. Initially, each item is mapped to an object with its index. After sorting, elements with the same value retain their relative position based on their original index, ensuring stability. Stable sorting is essential in many applications. When sorting user lists, tables, or logs, preserving order is important for readability and consistency. Many real-world applications rely on stable sorting to ensure a predictable and user-friendly experience. In summary, stable sorting is a useful technique that maintains order for equal elements. By mapping values to objects with indexes, we ensure stability without mutating the original array. This approach is efficient for many practical use cases, especially when working with structured data. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.